a ray of hope for the city's marine life. The Worldwide Fund for Nature and the Chinese University of Hong Kong's School of Life Sciences have restored the health of 39 pieces of coral since last year. The team plans to expand its operations in the near future and has invited more people to join the coral rescue work. Timothy Lee tells us more.
These small pieces of coral are currently receiving their very own intensive care. Originating from the various coasts of Hong Kong, they all broke off larger clusters of coral due to the damage they sustained. The Worldwide Fund for Nature, or the WWF, noted the sensitivity of coral to the environment. As climate change brought about a rise in seawater temperature, researchers discovered that there had been a large-scale bleaching of coral in the city's waters. An estimated 30% of coral in Q-Tray Country Park alone suffered from bleaching. It is suspected that the bleaching was caused by a combination of global warming and human activities. While the effects aren't immediately fatal, bleached corals are more susceptible to mortality.
Why would we encourage to have a larger area of protected or marine protected area in Hong Kong? It's based on the fact that we know that under stress, corals might die or they may not recover after severe stress. For example, elevated seawater temperature, they bleach. But what we know is that if we improve our local water quality, we can pull out or reduce the amount of stress that they experience. They will have higher chance to recover themselves.
In an effort to preserve the well-being of coral in Hong Kong, a joint team under the WWF and CUHK's School of Life Sciences recruited over 20 divers over the last year to educate residents about coral restoration and nurturing work. Under the guidance of coral experts, the coral pieces that had broken off were retrieved and restored to health in CUHK's marine labs. The WWF announced that in the 3 months since the start of the coral restoration work in July, 39 out of 40 pieces of the retrieved coral were saved, with survival rates reaching 98%. The team wishes that more people in the city would join the effort to save Hong Kong's coral. They also urged the government to catch up with international marine protection standards and turn 30% of Hong Kong waters into marine protected areas by 2030. Timothy Lee, TVB News.